Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. I think I finally got a good area where I'm uploading video. I'm currently uploading yesterday's video. It should be out by 3 o'clock today, but by the time you see this, it'll probably be Thursday by the time you see this. So my last video should be uploaded by 1500, which is 3 p.m. today. Or yesterday, I should say. So with that being said, we're here in Lincoln. We got our load loaded last night. We only had about 2 hours, so we came over to the yard. We are on our way to Savannah, Georgia. We got to make a stop in Kansas City to get fuel. And we should make it to Illinois today. Maybe... No, it would be about Illinois. I want to say I-57, maybe Mount Vernon area. So, we just have to use, we need to do about 500-600 miles a day, and then we should be down to Georgia tomorrow and offload on Friday morning. Also tomorrow we are going to be doing also Friday tomorrow we'll call dispatch and see what we can get coming out of Savannah. Hopefully it's another 1,200-1,300 mile run to where we can rake in that money. So goal is 12 to 13,000, but more like 12. Last year I got 11,000. This year I went 12,000 for the month of January. So with that being said, I will leave you with our departure out of Lincoln, and yes, I'll show you Frankie before we pull out. And there's Mr. Frankie barking. You gonna bark for us? He is barking at that truck. Apparently he doesn't like it being there. Do you, Frankie? You tell him. He sees the woman over there, and he's going apeshit. Oops. Are we done barking now? Are we done barking? Oh, we're gonna keep barking? Oh, gotta keep barking? 528 miles. Guess I could shut the jig brake off. Little strong. Oh, look at that. Light's changing for us. A parking spot, might have to pay for it, but I wonder what's going on over there. Quit licking that. Oh yeah, you're fine. You can scratch, just don't lick. I don't think TA is making any more extra money, but I think I'm going to be lazy. Yeah, I'm going to pay for a parking spot, but we're just going to pull right up next to this flatbed. Up and we missed it. Alrighty. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call the easy way to park. I know they're gonna have spots available. With that being said, we are done. So now we've done 529 miles today, and tomorrow we're going to do another 500-600 miles and then go deliver the load. After that, I don't know where we're going, but I'll let you know where we're going next. But with that being said, hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for any developments. And then if you need a job, whether you're an owner operator, a company driver, call Crete Carrier. Tell them Rich in truck 4220 HORRI sent you, and they'll hook you up. We got dedicated, we got long haul, we got regional, We got 5,000 trucks for you company drivers. We have the freight, you know. I mean, you know, as long as you have at least 1 year OTR recently, have no DUIs, tickets, or anything like that in the last 5 years, you're a good driver. You could be a good fit for Crete Carrier. So give them a call and let them know. And like always, we can't end the video without saying hi to Frankie. Hi, Frankie. Hi, boy. And I'll put the thing on the end of the video. Night.